In this video, I will show you 14 different methods to find sum in Excel. To find the sum of these values, equal, select one of the cells containing numbers to add, type in plus, select the second one, plus, third one, plus, fourth one, plus, now the last cell containing number, enter, and we have the sum of these values. Now the methods using sum function, equal, type in sum, open parentheses, select one of the cells containing numbers to add, holding the control key, select the second one, third one, fourth one, last one, enter. Again, equal, sum, open parentheses, select the cells containing numbers, enter. In the first formula, the inputs are individual values. In the second formula, the input is a data range containing numbers. Now a keyboard shortcut for finding sum, select the cells containing values, press Alt equal. See, sum function is automatically inserted. Again, select the cells containing numbers. In the Home tab, click on Sum. Next method is using the Quick Analysis tool. Select the cells containing numbers. The icon for Quick Analysis tool is activated. Click here, Totals, Sum. To find the sum of these values using SUBTOTAL function, equal, SUBTOTAL. 9 is the code for sum, comma, select the cells containing values, enter. To find sum using aggregate function, equal, aggregate. 9 is the code for sum, comma, once again comma, select the cells containing values, enter. To find the sum of these values using SUMPRODUCT function, equal, SUMPRODUCT. Select the cells containing values, enter. To find sum using SUMIF function, equal, SUMIF, open parentheses, select the cells containing values, comma, double quotes, not equal 0, double quotes, enter. Next method is using PivotTable. Select the cells containing data, go to the Insert tab, PivotTable, existing worksheet. We'll insert the pivot table here. Okay. We have a pivot table placeholder here. Drag and drop this field called data into the area for values. And we have the sum of values. Next method is using Power Query. Select the cells containing values. Go to the Data tab. Click on From Table/Range. Create table. Okay. See, the selected data is loaded into the Power Query editor of Excel. To find the sum of these values, transform, statistics, sum. Now to load this data into the Excel worksheet, Home, close and load to existing worksheet. Okay. Let me add a few values here. Right click, refresh. See, the sum got updated. Next one is an Excel macro to find the sum of selected values. To create the program, go to the Developer tab, Visual Basic. To insert a new module, right click, Insert, Module, type in this code. Find sum is the name of the macro. Close the Visual Basic editor. To assign the macro to a command button, in the Developer tab, Insert, under Form Controls, Button. Here is the macro we created a moment before. Find sum. Select the macro. OK. The macro called find sum is assigned to this button. Now select the cells containing numbers. When I click on this button, here is a message box with the sum of selected values. Once again, apart from all these methods, the status bar of Excel also can be used to find the sum of selected values. We'll select these cells, right click on the status bar, select the aggregation which you want. Sum, average, count.